Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dungeon Defenders. First, select one of 4 unique heroes, each offering distinct playstyles and defensive towers. Your primary goal is to protect the Eternia Crystal from waves of enemies by strategically building and upgrading your defenses. During the build phase, you'll use mana to construct various towers and traps. Efficient resource management and smart tower placement are crucial for success against increasingly challenging foes. Each of the 4 hero classes brings a unique set of skills and towers to the battlefield. The Apprentice, for example, deploys powerful magical defenses like the Arcane Barrier and Lightning Aura. The Squire builds sturdy physical blockades and cannons. The Huntress sets explosive traps and fires piercing arrows, while the Monk supports allies with healing and damage-boosting auras. Experiment with each to find your preferred playstyle and synergy. Effective tower placement is the cornerstone of victory in Dungeon Defenders. Identify enemy spawn points and their likely paths to the Eternia Crystal. Position your towers to create kill zones, especially at choke points where enemies funnel together. Combining towers, such as an Apprentice's Lightning Aura with a Squire's Bouncer blockade, can be incredibly effective. Remember to upgrade your key defenses during the build phase to enhance their power and reach. As you progress, you'll acquire new gear that significantly boosts your hero's stats and tower power. Leveling up your hero unlocks new skills and passive abilities, making you more formidable. Explore different game modes, from the main campaign to challenging survival maps, to test your skills. Playing cooperatively with up to 3 friends allows for diverse team compositions and more complex defensive strategies, making every defense unique and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.